this is Gretchen the Green Lady and my neighbor Marcia. Marcia and I trade ideas all the time. Gardening with your neighbors and your friends and your family is a great idea. And Marcia called me up the other day to tell me about this catalog she got. And Marcia, what in the world is this thing?
Burpee catalog. Everybody knows the name Burpee.
Ah, and why do you like this catalog so much?
You can order everything in the world in here. Tomatoes, which everybody loves to do. Flowers, annuals, perennials.
Wow.
Everything you want. And I probably have at one time or another ordered from here at least once a year, if not
Oh my
more.
goodness. Well, so why do you like this better than going to the store?
If you go to the store, especially the big box stores, the soil that they give you is no good. The water runs right
It's
through it.
true. It's called a soilless mix.
Right. So then you got to go home, you got to replant it. So you're spending money and time on
You're right.
nothing.
Yeah.
Here, it's guaranteed.
Wow, it's guaranteed.
So it tells you where to plant it, shade, sun,
Oh,
when
that's
to
huge.
plant it, if you're in the
Yes.
right zone for the particular
Yes,
flowers.
yes. We're going to be
Everything.
covering zones, everybody.
Everything's in here that you need to know about it.
And see, that's why we get so excited. When you have somebody that loves gardening like you do, it makes it so much fun. Well, this has been the Green Lady and her neighbor saying, go green.